Hey everybody, this is Tristan from LeagueGaming.com, and this is a demo of basically the very first game I've ever created using Unity. Unity is kind of like a middleware program where if you create sort of all your tools and objects and scripts in Unity, you can then use it for multiple platforms. For example, anything we build here, we can export to like Android, web, iOS, even Xbox, PlayStation, stuff like that. So here's an actual demo I ran through. Basically, the idea is creating a shooter game where you shoot like asteroids and stuff like that. Learn things like add sounds, boundaries, collision effects, physics, stuff like that. So the game's actually going to be in 2D, which is over here, but it is an actual 3D space. Like you can see, there's actual everything's in a 3D object. All the physics are in 3D, so it's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you the game here on the left side. It's real simple, but I mean, to do this kind of simple stuff does take a lot of time. You create a ship. There's boundaries, the left and right, how far you can go. You shoot lasers. It's all about sort of reusing the same objects, keeping everything nice and clean, so you don't run over your RAM and memory and stuff like that. And then actually doing a collision detection based on bolts hitting meteors or meteors hitting your ship and stuff like that. And then we simple stuff like keeping score. So I'm gonna give you a quick demo. So the actual sound effects all came with it. So quickly you just shoot stuff. You can control things like your fire rate. You can see here I can't go past certain boundaries. There's actual waves, and then you can actually, if you actually get, I can actually show you collision here. Boom, and that would essentially give you, how to trigger end messages and stuff like that. Press R for restart, blah blah blah, restart the game, stuff like that. So that's a quick demo of how to use, of how we've used Unity to basically create a test game in 3D space, and pretty interesting stuff. We could add a lot to it, and as you know, we are now ID at Xbox Partners, and we're going to explore the option of maybe doing some of our own stuff in the future. So this is the first start of it, and look more from us. Ciao.